Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking a little bit about the one and only Cosmos, but more importantly, Atom. Now, there has been some articles released lately suggesting that Atom could reach $140 by the year 2030. So we're going to look into the realistic capabilities of Atom reaching $140 by the year 2030 and why I think it could reach it a lot sooner. Really, if we see Atom get adopted more than it is, we could see this arrive at this price tag a lot sooner. If we see a crazy bull market, we could see Atom arrive at this target a lot sooner. We've got an article on Yahoo Life. Van Eck, our bullish thesis on Cosmos Atom token centers around the power of the Cosmos SDK, the importance of IBC, the clear product fit of the Cosmos Hub, and strong token value accrual. Note Van Eck has a position in Atom. I currently do not. Based on our discounted cash flow analysis of the potential Cosmos ecosystem value in 2030, we arrived at a $140 price target for the Atom token, with a downside to $1. Now, folks, this is like painting up both sides of the sun here. And this is one of the reasons why I'm having a hard time taking this article so seriously. So serious, because realistically, they are just throwing out, obviously, a super low number on one end, a super high number on the other end. By the year 2030, I mean, I just, I get rubbed the wrong way with these types of articles. And they don't even go on to speculate what it would even take to get there. So that's what we're going to be covering. Cosmos has a great following, almost 500,000 people right now, ranked 26, currently at $8.87 a token coin. Now, we can see that this is roughly equivalent to about $2.6 billion market cap, 292,586,000 coins, tokens in circulation. So this is nice. And we are going to look at this at a super high level. So when I whipped this chart up a couple hours ago, current price of Atom was $8.91. That brought us into a $2.6 billion market cap, right? So what is it going to take for Atom to get up to $140 by the year 2030? So we're going to do a little bit of TA after this to kind of try to figure out where the prices are at. But it would take roughly about a $40 billion market cap. That is nothing to get to about $140 a share. So I think that the last bull run, we saw coins like ADA, we saw coins like, ADA for sure, had a $100 billion market cap, which was insane. And we saw some crazy prices out of ADA. So I totally think that the next bull run, you could easily see $25 to $40 billion market cap out of Cosmos, maybe a $20 to $40 billion market cap, which would bring us somewhere in the neighborhood of $71 to about, $140, somewhere in there, give or take, right? So that is exciting. But what would we need at a $100 billion market cap, folks? Well, we'd need a price tag of approximately $347. Again, this is totally possible in due time, and prices right now seem like a steal. But nothing's given. Nothing is guaranteed, folks. I want you guys to understand, yeah, we're throwing out all these speculative prices right now, and it is fun to think about where prices can go, things like that, right? So I don't want you guys to get the misconception here that I'm some pumper fanboy of Atom or Cosmos, because I couldn't be any further from that. Realistically, I was just describing to you that I think it's possible we could see a $20 to $40 billion market cap the next bull run. Let's get back to the charts here. We can see, Cosmos, it had a very nice pump here. I do think that currently we are in the midst of possibly seeing some sort of head and shoulders pattern playing out. So I do think that there could be something like this happening. And I do think that if this doesn't happen, we could maybe see somewhat of a falling wedge pattern form here with Atom going into 2023. But I do think that it is currently possible for Atom to maybe bleed out a little bit more. Unfortunately, maybe down to this $5.70 level for a retest. Currently, we are testing some very nice levels of Atom. Really, we're testing some of last year's lower points during the summer. So the floor seems to be holding a little bit right now for Atom. I am hoping, let's look at this on a weekly chart. I am hoping, right? Who says hoping? I am hoping that we see some sort of move through this Ichimoku cloud here on the weekly. Right now, I do think that price is a little too far from this Ichimoku cloud right now. So I think over the next few weeks, we are going to see possibly some sideways consolidation like this. So I do expect prices to really trade in between this $9.10, $8.55-ish level. But let's go ahead here, and I want to really throw up some Fibonacci and see what levels we're really dealing with here. So, man, oh man, oh man. I'm just going to drop this down here. Yeah, it'd be nice to see prices come back up, retest this $11.30 level. But you can see if prices start running in the next bull run, it wouldn't surprise me to see $71. It wouldn't surprise me to see $35 here and there. So, I mean, it is what it is. Right now, I think that things could possibly be getting worse before they get better. Simply because right now I'm really only seeing this AB, and unfortunately I think we're going to see an ABC corrective wave out of Atom. Unless you want to construe this as an AB point, C, D, E. We need D to come back down. So I do think that either way you slice this bread, we're possibly going to see Atom come strolling down a little bit more. The weekly chart, we're forming a very nice little falling wedge here. Obviously, we want to hold some support levels later on. But let me know, folks, if you guys want me to start covering Atom on more of a regular basis. I can see the support happening through the like button. Leave me a comment, whatever you guys need to do, and we'll see you guys all on the next video.